Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the Apex 194 BHS. Great little trailer, under 4,000 pounds, easily towed by a mid-size SUV. Beautiful fiberglass front cap, very nice windshield, which inside you'll see makes it nice and bright. You've got your propane tanks on the front. You've got a large storage area underneath the front bed, which comes equipped with the solar charger because it has solar panels on the top, and then it also has USB chargers under there, and some switches because it has lighting and stuff on the outside. Laminated, beautiful fiberglass side, and with the Apex product, it is an Asdel composite laminated trailer, so that means that if water should get in one of these seals or something like that, it will not penetrate the wall, which is great. Smallest trailer we sell with an outdoor kitchen, so you got a pull-out grill, you've got a nice little fridge there, and a pop bottle opener there. As well, you can see here you've got a nice large awning which spans the entire width of the trailer. This is a great trailer for a young family that maybe doesn't have a half-ton truck that wants to go camping. That's what's on the outside. Let's check out the inside. All right, so I'm standing inside the 2024 Apex Nano 194 BHS, and as you can see, you get a lot of trailer for under 4,000 pounds in weight for towing. You got this great dinette which easily sits 4 adults around it, no problem, with storage, of course, underneath, and if that is in a slide out, easily going in and out with just the push of a button. You've got this beautiful fridge here, which gives you 10 cubic feet of storage, and it is run on 12 volt. Here in the washroom area, here you can see you've got lots of room around the toilet. Beautiful shower surround in the tub area, nice medicine cabinet, and real well outfitted bathroom for a smaller trailer. Because a lot of trailers, smaller trailers, don't have a sink in the washroom, but this one does. Here you can see you've got your bunk beds. Windows on both bunks. One of them is covered by the outdoor kitchen being open there, but you've got bunk beds with nice length for the kids. You've got a glass top stove here, undermount sink, seamless countertops. You've got your microwave here, and then you've got some drawers and storage and cabinet storage up above. Because they put the microwave below, it gives you more storage up above, as well as a pantry. So again, for a smaller trailer, these are things you don't see, but you do get inside this trailer. There you've got your queen size bed in the front, and then you've got windows on both sides which do open, and then you have this large window right here in the front, which when it's opened, makes the trailer feel very, very spacious with some storage up above. But I think the coolest thing is the stargazer. Right above the main bed, you've got this stargazer window. If you don't want the light, you can close the blinds on it. You've got one that is transparent, you've got one that blacks it out, but you can also pop it open like a skylight to get that breeze in the trailer. So it's just got some really great features. Big window on the campsite, large window in the front, stargazer, so many features, so well built. Folks, this is a great little trailer for a young couple or a young family, or people who maybe grandma and grandpa want to buy a trailer and bring the grandkids. This is a great option. This is the 2024 Apex Nano 194 BHS, available now at Campkin's, 3,800 pounds. And we say it's worth the Hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.